Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you my year in review. I have mentioned this many times, but I don't have a tripod, so it's going to be a little shaky. I need to get my tripod. I say this every single video. But anyway, my voice is going to be a little bit off. We have been sick all week. It's just been freezing here in North Carolina, and then we got 7-ish inches of snow last night, so very, very fun, but it's still cold. So without further ado, I'm just going to get into it. I decided I'm going to include every single like crafty activity that I've done this month in one video. So we'll start with the stuff that wasn't diamond painting first. These were some sand art kit pictures that I completed. They're from a company called Mallory Official, and this was from their fall collection, but I just used different colors that it came with to make them more like Valentine themed. Super, super cute. Me and my son both enjoyed doing these. He likes to squeeze the sand bottles on. I have an affiliate link that I will leave in the description down below if you guys are interested in this. It is such a throwback for me because I'm a 90s baby, so I love doing sand art. I think it came with like a pack of 12, and I hosted a craft night last year with my girlfriends back in Arizona, and then I did these two here with my son, so that was fun. But I'll leave a link down below if you're interested. The other thing is I am a Yelp Elite member, which anybody can do. It's nothing fancy, but if you leave good reviews, you can apply to be a Yelp Elite member, and they will host events and give out like little giveaways and things like that. So they gave us this for the first event of the year, a watercolor paint pad that is like little bookmarks. So you just use a paintbrush and water, and then you just paint these little bookmarks. And so I had so much fun. Me and my son did this as well, but we did this one, and obviously as you use it, they will straighten out. And then this one gives me like Princess and the Frog Tiana vibes, so I really love this one. But we did both of those. And then now we are on to the diamond paintings. So first things first, I did a lot of diamond paintings this month. And I include like all the little ones. I know some people don't, I do. So I think I had like 8 finishes this month, a lot. So let's jump into it. So first up is this duo, and one is, I believe this is a mint julep, and this one is just like a spritzer of some sort, but they are make market kits that are pre-framed. So they come with these magnetic frames that you can just hang on your wall. I don't really have any plans to hang these on the wall. They're very cute. They were fun to do. Not my favorite, just because I used to love color blocking. I don't anymore. So these were cute, fun to do, a nice easy round project, but that's all it is. Probably end up getting rid of those at some point. I also did this set of stickers. So we have this heart sticker. This was such a cute set. Another heart sticker, and I love the color combos on these. Strawberry, oops. This is my favorite one, the big bow, so cute. Some cherries. This was round stickers from Hobby Lobby. I have seen these stickers before. Mine were rolled up, but I see them now. They have learned from that, because you can see they're still like curved. They have learned from that, and I've seen them hanging like flat on end caps, so you can still get this sticker set if you're interested. But yeah, I like this one too, so cute. But that was the sticker set that I got. Cute, fun little project. This is a stand-up thing, an acrylic stand, and it is some sunflowers. Super pretty. In the move, that little top left corner snapped off, but that's not their problem, that was my problem. But this is also from Hobby Lobby. I think it came out this fall, and I received it as a gift. It was very fun to do. Cute little, I don't know, not partial, what do they call those? Special drill project, because it's all crystals. Anyways, so here's another Hobby Lobby project. This is one of their already like on a canvases, and it is a rainbow lion. I did not think I was gonna like this, but I had so much fun with it. My husband said that he might want it in his office, so we'll see. But It had a couple of AB drills in here, which was unexpected. I really love that. It turned out really, really good. Again, I'm sorry for the sniffles and everything like that. I just can't breathe through my nose. So the only thing about these Hobby Lobby canvases that is annoying is the, this is on the back. What is this? The key, the legend is on the back, which is kind of annoying, but it's really not that deep. You can either just flip it over as you're working, or you can take a picture with your phone. I've heard some people do. I just kept flipping it over, but I also was a little annoyed because the plastic wrap on this was really hard to get off because it was like wrapped all the way around it. It didn't have a cover sheet. It was like all the way around it. So I literally had to get in there with like scissors, and it was a whole thing. But other than that, this was a really fun project, and it turned out really, really good. Next up, finally not a Hobby Lobby kit. This is a Diamond Dots partial. It is called Dream Catcher. It's a round drill with special drills in it, and it's so pretty. Like, are you kidding me? Look at that color palette. Ooh, girl. There was no, no, that's a lie. There was white ABs throughout it. So you got some white ABs in here. And just a very beautiful pastel winter color scheme. So this is a really fun one to do. And I was so annoyed because I don't know how, but this one was not on my list in my diamond painting collection. So I had to add it. So I had 96 paintings, not 95 paintings. It was a whole thing. I was like, what the? But it wasn't on for last year either, which is weird because I definitely had it for longer than last year. Okay. Next up is a Lil Diamonds kit. So cute. This one is Winnie the Pooh. It is a 22.8 by 22.8 centimeter round drill kit, 4 colors. No special drills on this one. It's just straight Winnie the Pooh. Super, super cute. But again, color blocking is not my forte, but with this one, I practiced using a 7 placer because normally I do 4 placing, and I did pretty good, I think. I mean, it's could be a lot worse. So it was good to practice with that one, but super cute. Okay, we'll talk about that one in a second. Next up is a Diamond Art Butterfly. This is a partial, so the only thing that I diamond painted was the actual butterfly. This is a Leisure Arts kit, and it had 10 colors. I don't believe it had any ABs in it. Super, super cute little project. This was like one that was clearancing out at Hobby Lobby. So I picked it up for like $2. And it was just a fun little palette cleanser. And then now we're getting into some of my bigger projects. So this one, oops, sorry, that's my toes. This is Caffeine Overload by Randall Spangler by Diamond Art Club. You will see I am missing some drills, the 7 drills down at the bottom. This is the one that my son dumped the drills on. So I have to order those and wait for those, but everything else is finished. And I love me a Randall Spangler. I love, 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 love his work. So super cute. This one had 49 colors to include 3 ABs. So the ABs are right here, these little specks in the cup. We've got some ABs on the dragling himself. And some ABs up in this moon, in the eyes, a little bit in the clock. I mean, it was just a beautiful, stunning, fun painting. And so I'm going to get the drills and finish this hopefully in February. But I'm counting it as a finish because I don't think I'll show it again next month when it's completely done, but we'll see. Last but not least, I have Alice in a Bottle by Safina Art by Diamond Art Club. 41 by 56 centimeters, partial. And ooh, girl, I love her. So this one had 2 ABs and 28 total colors. I've been on a Safina Art bender lately and just talking about how much that I love her artwork. I wish that Diamond Art Club had more, but this is, I think, the only one that they still have licensed. So if you want to get it, this is the only one that you can get from Safina Art, but they had some ABs over here in the bubbles, her hair. This one was a square drill, the only square drill that I did this month. I love how the little tag came out. So cute, the little drink me. And we have some, I forgot, ABs in her eyes too. But super, super cute, super, super pretty. Definitely a project that I loved doing. The one thing about this, so the coloring of her hair looked kind of green when I was doing it. And then her skin seemed very like orange when I was doing it. All done, it looks good. But it was definitely like a trust the process moment. It was very like, what is going on here, you know? So anyways, yeah, that is the final completion. Let me show you what I'm currently working on. It's another round, and it is my first ever art dot. I was watching, I don't remember who I was watching, but somebody was doing an art dot unboxing and working on a square drill from them. And I was like, you know what? I have a round drill. I need to work on them because I've never worked on them before. So this is like a tulip field with snowy mountains. So I thought it would be a super cute like transition piece for February, moving from winter into spring. So I'm about halfway on it. I did all of this before the end of January. And then I just started this today on the 1st. So ignore that part, but this is how far I am on it. It is 40 colors and it's 50 by 35 centimeters. I don't think this one is available anymore. Correct me if I'm wrong. When I was looking on the website, I didn't see it, but I did not check their Amazon. And I believe it has 1, 2, 3 ABs. Yeah, 3 ABs. So, which so far, I'll show you this. It's got a really thin cover, I will say, which is really annoying. I do not like the cover that it comes with, but all of the ABs so far that I've placed have been in the flowers. I don't think I placed any up here, but yeah. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry for the shakiness and the sniffling, but you know, I'm trying to do one video a week and just get it out there. Let me know what you finished in the comments, and then which kit was your favorite, or if you have any questions about that. Also, if you want to talk about Yelp Elite, hit me up because I'll tell you more information about that. But just because I could talk about food all day. I hope you guys are having a great day, night, whenever you are watching this. Feel free to like and subscribe, and until next time.